be doing a tutorial video of how to draw a baby hamster. Helen will be drawing it, and she will be drawing how to make them probably the most cutest hamster I've ever seen.
So, you gotta start drawing the eyes first because that will be the main part, because if it doesn't have eyes, it'll look like a weird hamster.
It looked like an alien hamster.
Yeah, I guess. And if you want to draw it like a real baby, you can just draw a tiny tooth and one in the middle. And if you... Okay, that's a bad circle. So, then draw a circle. And then, in the middle of the circle, you can just draw a tiny bear ear.
Yeah, just like a little hump for if you don't know what bears are. Because most of you should know what bears are.
Yeah. And you kind of should make a gap on the bottom. And then you draw an oval, and then another oval, and then with a footprint. And now you draw the tiny hands and the tail. Mostly people would know. And if you want to make it kind of cuter, just add tiny.
And then you could,
red.
And then in red, because we are doing this in black, but because we should not do it, because if we would do it in marker, so it's easier, and we would it would go through and it would look all bad.
So that's my baby hamster.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe, like the video, flash on notifications, and yeah. Peace.